Hey, my baby, come with me to CVS to coupon over $100 worth of products for just $19. If you want to learn, keep on watching. Hi, go ahead and follow me to join my Bougie Bestie community. Like, save, and repost this video and drop a heart in the comment section. Thank you. Besties, for our first deal, we're going to do the spend $30, earn $10 back in extra care bucks. 2 packs of Venus razors priced at $8.69. These are buy one, get one 50%. We're going to be using this 4 off 10 CRT. Again, that varies by account. It's $3 manufacturer coupon from the Coupon 24 app. Okay, my babies, if you don't have the 4 off 10 CRT, I recommend you get 1 pack of Venus and then 1 regular pack of Gillette for men. Buy one, get one 50% off as well. We'll clip this $3 coupon from the Coupon 24 app, so you would pay $1 more than me. 2 packs of Colgate Sensitive priced at $5.99 a piece. Clip this 3 off 12 CRT and this 6 off 2 manufacturer coupon. 1 bottle of Downy Unstoppables. These are priced at $5.49. This $2.50 coupon from the Coupon 24 app. This is what our cart should look like. Our total is $30.50, but we have $18.50 in coupons. So let's go check out and pay $12 plus taxes. $12 plus taxes. You've earned $10 in extra care bucks to use on transaction number 2. All right, besties, for our next deal, we're going to be doing Irish Spring and soft soap. Buy 2, you're going to earn back $2 in extra care bucks. 1 soft soap hand soap priced at $3.49. Irish Spring bar soaps priced at $3.49. This $1 CRT and this 75-cent coupon. My CRTs may say last day, hun. That's because these were given to me last week. You may have just gotten some today. So yes, you can still do these doggone deals. 2 bottles of Whole Blend shampoo and conditioner. They're 2 for $9 this week. You buy 2, you're going to earn back $3 in extra care bucks. Clip this $3 manufacturer coupon, and I also have a 1-off CRT. Okay, my babies, Hallmark is running a promotion this week with CVS. So when you buy 2 cards, you're going to earn $2 back in extra care bucks. But it has to be for graduation or for Father's Day. So I'm going to pick up 2 Father's Day cards priced at 99 cents a piece. Okay, my babies, this is what our card should look like. Our total is $17.94, but we have $5.75 in coupons and $10 in ECB from our previous transaction. So let's go check out and pay $2.19 plus taxes. There's my $5.75 in coupons. Use the $10 we earned in our previous transaction to pay $39. Oh yeah. Okay, my babies, we've earned $7 in extra care bucks, and we're going to use this on transaction number 3. Grab 2 packs of Honest wipes. These are priced at $6.39 in my store. My God, they're $5.99 online and everywhere else. Anywho, these are buy one, get one 50% off, and when you buy 2, you're going to earn back $5 in extra care bucks. Hey, besties, this is all that should be in our cart. Our total is $9.58, but we have $7 in ECB from our previous transaction, so we're going to go pay $2.58 plus taxes. $2.58. Okay, my baby, we've earned $5 in extra care bucks, and I'm going to use this on our last transaction. This is the doggone 19 count that I've been looking for. So I'm going to pick up 2 packs of these, and I'm going to use this $7.99 coupon. This is what our cart should look like. Total is $15.98, but y'all know we're not paying that because it's bougie over here. $7.99 in coupons and $5 in extra care bucks from our previous transaction, leaving you to pay $2.99 plus taxes. Now let's go check out. $2.99 plus taxes. Okay, my babies, before you put your Crocs in sports mode to go score these deals, don't forget to follow me, and don't forget to come back and let me know if you score or not. Okay, I'm gonna call you back. I'm gonna call you back.